Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. So as predicted, Nifty did open gap up. So parampara is being maintained, although it was a very small gap up. That's what I predicted, that Nifty will open gap up above 580 19580 in yesterday video, and Nifty did open with small gap up and could not sustain it in first 15 minutes, came down and then went up again to break 1850, and then later on came down. So I posted that above 850 will buy Nifty, and below 19580 we can sell for 530, target of 530 and 480. So Nifty almost reached to a target of 480. 480 is kind of a support zone now. Earlier it was a zone of resistance, but now it will act as zone of support. So once throughout in the first session, Nifty tried to break this 580 level. Multiple attempts were done, but Nifty could not break this 580 level, and ultimately it get rejected and took support near 480 or 490 level. Then after doing a consolidation of more than an hour, more than one and a half hour, Nifty starts showing strength, and once it crosses the 530, the previous resistance level of 530, it get bullish, and at the end you can see the result. The volume is also good. So for breaking the 580, these two requirement was required: either opening massive gap up and move up to 580, or need huge volume to cross this 580. So now this barrier of 580 is done. Last time Nifty got rejected from 580, I think in the last expiry. So from 580 it got rejected and almost gave up 300 points, but it's good this time with huge volume it has crossed the 580. So and above 580 target was 820. So Nifty has given closing below 620. So assumption for tomorrow, or my view for tomorrow, is that Nifty will open again gap up. Nifty has to maintain parampara. So I am assuming that Nifty is going to open gap up above 640 level, and expiry will be around 720 level, 19720. So for tomorrow, important level are 620, which will act as a support reason 1, 580, that is support reason 2. So if Nifty stays above 620 for 15-20 minutes, we can buy call for the target of 720, and if it stays below 620, then we can short for small target of 580 and then 530. Okay, now coming to Bahubalis. Today special mention to HDFC showed good strength. HDFC, in fact HDFC was bullish throughout the day. Okay, and you can see from yesterday closing, it almost gave 25 points rally, and the HDFC was supporting both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and at the end at 3 p.m. pump it get more pumped. So let's assume HDFC continue this upward journey for this month. For September series, I think HDFC is going to see 620 and 640 level. So in September, my target for HDFC is 620 and 640, 1640 levels. Now coming back to Reliance. Reliance, after a good consolidation, is showing a little strength. Okay, although a real strength again will come above 2440 or 2450, it will again become super bullish. So second Bahubali is also waking up. Pretty soon we will also see move like HDFC in Reliance. The other two Bahubali, they were bearish throughout the day. They opened high and then gave all the gains TCS, and but at the end they start moving up. So is Infi also. It opened gap up, try to break this trend line, got rejected, but at the end it also get good strength. So the Reliance Reliance, HDFC, TCS and Infi push the Nifty up. Although there was one news, let's open this Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty, as I say, unless until it cross this Lakshman Rekha of 44,700, will not show much strength, and that's what exactly happened. Bank Nifty open and then it start giving all the gains. Throughout the day it was bearish, but around 2 p.m. there was some news that RBI are going to do a special meeting on CRR. That time so I think after that news, Bank Nifty was pumped, and since Bank Nifty and IT and Reliance got pumped, Nifty also moved up. Okay, okay, yeah. Coming back to Nifty, important levels I have already given. 620 is support one, 5 580 is your support reason 2, and then we can see the target of 720 and 750 on upside. Okay, thank you all, thanks for listening my channel. Have a nice day.